What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to Comment Sunday, the day of the week basically where I cover your comments that you've basically commented on in my videos during the week. It's just because we're a discussion channel, guys. If you're new and wondering what's going on, do get involved, smash the subscribe button and basically comment, and I'll bring up your comments and read them out every Sunday and just kind of give my thoughts and opinions about what you've said on it as well. This shouldn't be too long of one, guys. Only just going to cover at least one, two, maybe three videos that might have comments on them. I know I've been slacking on the video sides of things during the week. Look, the gyms are back open, guys, and like I literally have to get back in shape, and it's hard to go to the gym, come home, and then like I'm getting to make videos so late, and I'm up at 6 o'clock, so I do apologise, but I do try and get out as many as I can during the week. This one basically will be this latest one. So my most latest video was should you buy the Lamborghini Huracan STO, and I think a lot of people agree that they should. You know, we know they love their Lamborghinis, and yeah, I just kind of said it. So truly Cristala, I think it is. If I had the money, it would look so nice. Yeah, guys, if you haven't checked out the video, do. It's stunning. It's an unbelievable color. I mean, it's just the color, the wheels, everything about this STO is just absolutely fucking sick. I absolutely love it. I hope you do buy it. Pagani is a car channel, guys, as well. If you want to go check them out, another great video. That GT3 RS sounds plain sexy, doesn't it? Yeah, anyway, as well, guys. The GT3 RS that TJ Hunt got, he went in a canyon drive with it, and it sounds unreal. He was basically just having fun in it with Sabrina, and it just sounded fucking awesome. It was really, really well worth you know, the video just to watch him driving. TJ Millionaire Mentor buys McLaren 765LT and thick. Now I have no comments, but yes, it is great to see that he actually did buy one, and it is a very, very nice spec. Obviously, it's the one that was being launched at the time. So yeah, he's fallen in love with it, and I think you know, he's one of these people that's had his mind changed about getting a McLaren in the future, which is pretty cool. So yeah, he's been doing really well. I've been really liking his content lately too. And that's it. I can't believe, I'm just trying to think, like, yeah, I thought I did more videos last week, and what kills me is the weekends, because, you know, I'm missing out on a Saturday or whatever. So I'm really gonna, you know, push myself to try and get out at least 5 videos next week. I'm gonna make sure I do it. Sometimes I just feel like there's nothing to cover, and I don't want to just throw anything out there that I just feel like is just going to be shit. But Sports and Touring, another great car channel, to go check them out, guys. TJ Hunt's Mustang is a homage to Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. In the film, Sean's dad's Mustang needs a new engine, so they installed an RB26. It's the car that the main character uses to win the final race. Yeah, so he's putting in the RB26 engine into his Ford Mustang, which I think is going to be a really cool build. I've never seen one done, so I'm interested to see how it turns out and the kind of power it does and what it sounds like driving. And just Spaghetti is just saying thanks for hitting the like button, guys. And it would be greatly appreciated if you do want to smash the like button. That would be pretty dope as well. Yeah, I also covered Sports and Touring in that video, guys. They were at like this really cool kind of rally thing that they checked out with some of the really sick cars that they covered in that. He just said basically about, you know, we didn't plan the video to be so DD, but experience just felt like it was. So we decided to tip our hat to the guys, as they're among the channels that have inspired us. Yeah, it's 133. Yeah, his car is so hard to pronounce. Not like it's just a mouthful. So he has an Audi R8, 333 R8 GT Spider. It's he's trying to remember it all, like, but it's a pretty sick car. So yeah, guys, just to like cover these for today. It's all I'm gonna be covering. So yeah, if you want to get involved, please do smash that subscribe button and do comment below and my videos. So I will have a video out tomorrow, and it was double upload day, so hopefully you like my CNC motors video as well. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks a million if you watched the end. And I shall see you on the next episode. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.